Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now. With the car off and parking brake set, open the hood and stand on the passenger side. Remove any engine cover clips or 10 mm bolts. Use the screwdriver or socket. You want clear access to the rectangular airbox. Once you can see the airbox lid, unclip the retaining tabs working from front to back so the lid lifts smoothly. Make sure not to force plastic tabs. If stiff, back them out slowly to avoid breakage, and keep track of fasteners for reassembly. Once the lid is up, look at how the old filter sits. Intake side, tab location, the seal area, then slide the filter straight out to avoid dropping debris into the intake. You should inspect the housing for leaves or dirt. Use a shop vacuum or microfiber to remove residue so the new filter seals properly. Install the new OEM filter the same way the old one came out, making sure the rubber gasket compresses evenly and the pleats face the airflow direction indicated by the housing. After seating the new filter, lower the lid and snap each clip back in place or refasten bolts. Make sure the lid sits flush on the housing before finishing. Start the engine and listen for whistling or hissing near the airbox. Those indicate a poor seal. Once done, test HVAC airflow to confirm no restriction. If you hear rattles or detect airflow loss, turn off the engine, reopen the box, and reseat the filter and clips. A misaligned gasket is the common culprit and is easy to fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.